So this video will demonstrate how good the Heroic Black Hypersmooth Boost, Hypersmooth High is against the stabilization of the Karma Grip, which is a 3-axis gimbal. And I'm going to simulate a lot of shakes and movement on a RC car, and that way you can get a good idea of how good the stabilization is, and you can decide for yourself if you would like to buy the Heroic Black. So I'm sure you'll get an understanding of how the Heroic Black stabilization is. So this is in 2.7K 60 FPS with Hypersmooth High. Now we have Hypersmooth Boost, again in 2.7K 60 FPS, but in 4:3 aspect ratio. And this is the Karma Grip with the Hero 7 Black. So yeah, that's all I had to show in this video, and if you've seen my unboxing and first impressions of the Heroic Black, I had mentioned in that as well that the Heroic Black Boost Hypersmooth gives about 70 to 80% of the stabilization that we get from a gimbal. So it's definitely an improvement over the Hero 7 Black, and I think this is one of the best GoPros to capture your RC adventures. So yeah, thanks for watching.